Have you ever wondered if tiny pieces of plastic floating in the air could actually make our planet warmer? For years, scientists have known that microplastics are almost everywhere. They have been found in rivers, lakes, oceans, farmland, food, drinking water, everyday products, and even inside the human body. Now, researchers are investigating another possible consequence, their impact on Earth's climate. A new scientific study suggests that microplastics in the atmosphere don't just drift through the air, they may also contribute to global warming. Microplastics are extremely small plastic fragments, measuring less than 5 millimeters across. Even smaller are nanoplastics, which are tiny enough to be only a fraction of the width of a human hair. Most of these particles come from the breakdown of larger plastic items over time. In this study, scientists examined how microplastics of different colors and sizes interact with sunlight. They combined laboratory observations with computer simulations to understand how these particles spread through the atmosphere around the world. The findings were interesting. Not all microplastics behave the same way. Black, blue, red, and yellow particles absorb much more sunlight than white plastic particles. In fact, colored and black microplastics were found to absorb dramatically more light than non colored plastics. The researchers also discovered that the size of a particle matters. Different sized microplastics absorb sunlight differently, and their ability to absorb light can even change as they age. Overall, the study suggests that atmospheric microplastics are more likely to trap heat than reflect it. In simple terms, they appear to act as warming agents. The researchers estimate that the warming effect of airborne microplastics could be around one-sixth of the impact caused by black carbon, also known as soot, a well known pollutant produced mainly by burning fossil fuels. While that doesn't make microplastics one of the biggest contributors to climate change, scientists say the effect is significant enough that it shouldn't be ignored. One researchers estimated that the warming caused by a year's worth of global microplastic emissions could be comparable to the annual impact of around 200 coal-fired power plants. However, this estimate doesn't include the long-term effects of plastic particles that remain in the environment for decades. At the same time, the researchers emphasize that this is only an early step in understanding the problem. There are still many unanswered questions. Measuring the amount of microplastics in the atmosphere is difficult, and scientists are still improving the methods used to detect and analyze these particles. Another study published earlier this year even suggested that previous estimates airborne microplastics may have been too high, while also finding that concentrations tend to be much greater over land than over the oceans. Independent experts say the new research is well done, but they also believe the uncertainties are still large. They argue that it may take another decade of research before scientists can confidently determine exactly how much microplastics contribute to global warming. Even so, researchers agree on one thing. There are already many strong reasons to reduce plastic pollution, from protecting ecosystems to reducing potential risk to human health. If future studies confirm that microplastics also warm the planet, that would become yet another reason to limit their spread. For now, scientists hope this new research encourage more studies, helping us better understand how these tiny plastic particles may be influencing our climate. Because sometimes the smallest things can have much bigger consequences than we ever imagined. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science explainers based on the latest research. Thanks for watching.